There's only one easy step needed to clean this spray gun. And that's it. Today I'd like to introduce a faster, always cleaner, lighter, smarter way to spray paint, the 3M Performance Spray Gun. Because of the ease of cleaning, simplicity, and quality design, this honestly may be the only gun I use from now on. Maintaining a conventional gun is time-consuming and tedious, as all these parts have to be disassembled and cleaned, all while you're being exposed to harmful solvents. Although a bit easier, the gravity-fed gun also has many parts that have to be disassembled and cleaned. Setting up the gun to spray is easy. Choose a disposable nozzle and install it on the gun. Fluid tip sizes range from 1.2 to 2.0, and you don't have to change the needle. Place a new liner in the cup and fill your cup with paint. Grab a new lid with an integrated strainer, place it on the cup, snap it into place, and give it a twist. Then install your gun onto the cup, give it a twist, and you're ready to spray. To clean up, the lid, the liner, and the nozzle are not reused and can be properly disposed of. The gun and the cup are all that's left. Simply wipe the needle clean and you're good. There are also sealing plugs available in case you wanted to store or even shake the paint. One of the first things you'll notice about the 3M Performance Spray Gun is how light it is. Made of durable composite materials, it weighs only 12 ounces. To get an idea of how light that is, here are three conventional guns. The Binks Model 7 weighs 42 ounces. The Binks 2001, 38 ounces, and the Astro 4008 is 32 ounces. This Binks is over 3 times heavier than the 3M spray gun. These gravity-fed guns are quite a bit heavier too. This Spectrum Pro from Harbor Freight is 22 ounces. The Harbor Freight Purple HVLP is 20 ounces, and the Sharp Finex 3000 is 18 ounces. This gun's paint, primer, and clear coat spraying capabilities are second to none, due to the fact that you can choose an atomizing head from 1.2 to 2.0 millimeters. And if 3M makes any improvements to the nozzles, your gun will evolve with these changes. Not since plastic filler has anything revolutionized the field of bodywork, but I truly believe 3M will make a huge difference with the performance spray gun. I hope you enjoyed this video on a new and easy way to spray paint, and if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.